Okay, hello. Hello everyone. Okay, welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue our trial. Okay, so where were we? So we drew by defining a function of draw square xy. Yeah, by using that function, we drew grid of squares, okay? And also we change size and colors. Okay, then what was the homework? Do the same with stars and additionally use green. Okay, so let's reuse the code. So reconnect and hope we still have star here. Where is it? Okay, star is here. So we have already run this box. So we're here. Maybe we can just reuse this. So position the same, size increment same. Okay, coloring. Coloring is instead of 3, we use 4 colors. So maybe we copy this to save time. Okay, we use 2 here, which is green. So maybe green. Okay, red, yellow, green, blue, and right. So instead of drawing square xy, maybe we can copy this, make extra box here. Instead of draw square xy, draw star xy. Okay, and star here. I think this is good enough. Okay, let's try. Strange. Did I run this? Draw star xy. I should use draw star xy, of course. Square, not square. Okay, let's run it. Star, red, green, blue. Okay, good. Seems fine. Yeah, okay. I think it's good enough. Please check yourself with your code and try other variations and make sure you can draw anything you want. Okay, today's lesson 15, draw as you want, part 2. Draw a square at a random position in the 600, 400 area. What does it mean? Draw a square at a random position. Okay, random. That means we need rand int. Okay, so let's use this box. So first, never forget to import random package. And then maybe 600, horizontally 600, vertically 400 area. So maybe x position is random.randint. Maybe 0 to 600. I don't worry much about the trivial things. Random. 0, 400. Let's try this anyway. Well, what's the name? Draw. No. Draw square xy. Well, we can choose any size, like 100. Okay. Did I write full stop here? It should be period. No, I mean comma. Nothing happens. What's wrong? Ah, I see. I need initialization. Okay. So maybe I need initialization and 10 up at the beginning. Okay. Ah, here. White. Do it again. Here. Okay. So it draws at a random position, sometimes strange. Of course, your result should be different from mine. And I give different results every time I try it. Okay. So what's next? The bad news is that it sometimes go beyond the area. So exclude the outer border of width 100. Okay, so maybe it's not, we can write anywhere in this area, but maybe we can reduce 100 to, this should be fine. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this time, fine. It's within the canvas. Okay, what's next? Do it 20 times. Okay, do it yourself. Do it 20 times. Okay, stop the video and do it. So which part is for loop? Okay, maybe here. We need new x and y and draw each time. So for I in range 20, colon. And then we select this area and tab 1. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, it's like this. Maybe you might want to change thinner pen. Okay, next time. Randomize size also in 50 to 200 range. Okay, do it, try yourself. You can randomize. So size is, again, what was the smallest? 50 to 200. So 50 to 200. Okay, and this should be S. Okay, let's see. Okay, I changed thinner pen. Good. So, it's like a contemporary art. Very good. Fine. Maybe fine. Okay. Tilt by 5 degrees further each time. So how can you do this? Maybe as we draw, after we draw one square, we can add turn left, for example, by 5 degrees, and that will do it. So after drawing, we left or right by 5 degrees and repeat it 20 times. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. More chaos, more chaotic. Maybe you want more for X, right? So let's change it to 700 or 800. And we can change this to 4 and see the result. Okay. Seems quite chaos, which I like. Maybe hundreds. 800 was too much. Okay, anyway, Fine. Color with red, yellow, blue, and green. We can just reuse the code. Okay, here. Okay, so we can just copy this part. How many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this part, copy this and paste it just before drawing. And okay, select and one color, one tab back, shift tab. Okay. And I have only one eye, so maybe this will be fine. Okay, let's try this. Let's try with it. Oh, beautiful. Interesting, right? Is it good enough? Yeah, seems fine. So every time you run it, you have different results, all kind of like contemporary art and charming. Okay, homework. Do the same with stars again. But yeah, as actually you can try many things as you like. So think about yourself, what kind of variations you can make and design, implement and run, see the result. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you will further enjoy it after this. Okay, be sure to come back next time. Bye bye.